We want to be able to do some web application testing, and that means we need some tools to do that, as well as, of course, some manual techniques. Now, there's a pretty good tool that's available called W3Af. Now, W3Af is kind of like the Metasploit for web application testing, in that it's really a framework for developing plugins and exploits and being able to run a lot of different tests against a particular web application server. Now, there are a number of different ways to get a copy of W3Af, and one of the ways is just using the git clone command under Linux, BSD, or Mac. Now, there isn't a Windows version at the moment, although there used to be. Now, another way of actually getting W3Af is using Backtrack Linux or Kali Linux. Now, Backtrack is the penetration testing or forensics live CD, so it does a lot of security-oriented functions, and it's a live CD. You boot it up, and you can run a lot of different security tools. The current version is called Kali Linux, and this is the successor to Backtrack. So this is another place where you could actually get and use W3Af. It actually just comes installed on the Backtrack or Kali Linux live CD. So if you were to get a copy of Kali Linux, you would just automatically get W3Af as part of a whole package of security tools, and it's a pretty good thing to have in your tool chest. So having a copy of Backtrack or Kali on a CD is something you can take anywhere with you, boot up, and just be working on a system wherever you happen to be. So we're going to be looking at configuring and running W3Af coming up.